In this problem, we have triangle ABC. Measure of angle A equals 35, A equals to 17, and B equals to 20. And we need to solve the triangle. So at the first, we have angle A is acute angle, so we need to find the height. So the height now will be equals B, which is 20 times sine 35. By using the calculator, then we can find that the height is equal to 11.5. So how we can solve the triangle? Now we need to find the relation between A and B and A and H. At the first, we have A and B. A is less than B, and A is more than H. Because we have that's 17 and that's 11.5. So because we have A is smaller than B and A is more than H, it means we have two solutions. So how we can find the two solutions? At the first, we have two solutions. It means we have one acute angle and one obtuse angle. So we'll divide the board by this way. That's the acute angle, and that's the obtuse angle. That's A, B, and C. A, B, and C. Measure of angle A equals 35, and A equal to 17. B is equals to 20. That's the same, that's 35. And that's 17, and B equals to 20. Now how we can solve? As we said before, by using the sine law. So we'll start writing sine 35 over 17 is equals sine B over 20. Then by using cross multiplications, means sine B is equals to 20 times sine 35 over 17. It means measure of angle B is equals sine inverse all of this value, which is 20 times sine 35 over 17. By using the calculator, we'll find that B is approximately equal to 42. That is the value of B. After finding the value of B, we can find the value of angle C, then find the side C. But now how we can find the angle B in this triangle? Because angle B is equal to 42, so we can find the obtuse angle for the angle B. So measure of angle B in the second triangle will be 180 minus the value that you find from angle B of this first triangle, which is 138. So after finding the value of B, subtract from 180 to find the other solution. So again, we start finding the angle B, then subtract from 180 to find the angle which is 138. After that, you can solve the triangle. We can find measure of angle C, which is 180 minus the sum of the two angles 35 plus 42. That will be 77. By subtracting from 180, it will be 103. Then we can find sine 35 over 17 is equal to sine 103 over C. So to find C is equals 17 times sine 103 divided by sine 35. By using the calculator, then the value of C equals now 28.9. That's for the triangle number 1. We will repeat the same for the triangle number 2 or for the second solution. So we can find measure of angle C. Measure of angle C is equals to 180 minus 138 plus 35 is equal 138 plus 135 equal 173. By subtracting from 180, so the angle now C will be equal to 7 degrees. So that's 7. So we can find C, which is sine 35 over 17 is equals sine 7 over C. So we can find C, which equals 17 times sine 7 over sine 35. By using the calculator, we'll find that C is equal to 3.6. And that's the value of C. So again, we can repeat it. If you find that A is smaller than B and A is more than H, it means we have two solutions. One of them is acute angle and the other is obtuse angle. So how we can solve it? For the first one, we can draw the triangle ABC, then find the value of B. After finding the value of B, find the value of the obtuse angle of B by subtracting from 180. After finding the two angles, find the value of the third angle, then find the side which opposite to the third angle. And that's how we can solve the triangle if the given is two sides and one angle between them.